Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Subaru Liberty Sports Premium, stock reference number 5286. The shape runs from the 7th 09 through to the 11th 14. It has an EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-drive transmission. EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left hand power door mirror. Left side skirt. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door has no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Left boot lid garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Tidy rear bumper cover. Right hand boot lid garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right power door mirror. Right guard has two small dents. Right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Auto console, auto gear shifter, heated control, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.